Here students, in question number 4, we have a new technique of solving the resistance of this type of network. You can see this type of network in which it is difficult to identify the series and parallel. So we solve this type of network with the help of Wheatstone bridge technique, which is going to come in this chapter. Let us start. We have to redraw this circuit first of all this way. These A and B points we have to write at side, and two more junctions will be appearing just in between. So we will name them C and D. Okay, this is A or this is A, it is fine, and this B and this B are same, no problem. Here this junction and this junction is appearing, we will name it CD. Now we will write C and D above and below in form of a quadrilateral arrangement. Now we will pick one by one resistance and we will join it here between the points. So between A and C 2 ohm. So between A and C 2 ohm. Between C and D 3 ohm. So C and D 3 ohm. Between D and B 12 ohm. So DB are here 12 ohm. Then this resistance is between AD. 4 ohm resistance is between A and D. So we will write here 4 ohm. We have used it. And last remaining resistance is 6 ohm. It is between B and C. So between BC 6 ohm resistance is connected. This is the quadrilateral arrangement of resistances. Now how to find the equivalent resistance? So we have to take the help of balanced bridge. Balanced bridge means if this side the ratio of the resistance, that means 2/4, and this side the ratio of the resistance is 6/12. Is it same? 2/4 and 6/12, is the ratio same? Yes. We have to check the ratio. If the ratio this side and this side is same, 2/4 is also 1/2 and 6/12 is also 1/2. If it is same, then this bridge is said to be balanced bridge. And balanced bridge means in the middle branch no current flows. So the middle branch we have to remove like this. So that means what? In case if this ratio is same, then only we have to remove the middle branch. Now this circuit is becoming simpler. So we will be solving the equivalent resistance. So how to find the equivalent resistance between A and B point? We take the current from A. So whatever current enters from A, it gets divided. So I1 here, I2 here. Now I1 flows here also and here also. So that means 2 and 6 are in series. So in place of 2 and 6, we will write 8 ohm. In the same manner, 4 and 12 are also in series. It is the single line. 4 and 12 are 16 ohm. So between A and B, 8 and 16 ohm we have obtained. Now this 8 and 16 ohm are in parallel. So we will write the reciprocal answer. 1/8 and 1/16 we have to add to get 1/r dash. 16 is the LCM. So 2 plus 1 in the numerator. 3/16 is the answer of 1/r dash. So the net answer is 16/3. So that means the R net answer is 16/3 ohm of this circuit.